हेलो बेटा। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं अपनी डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एजुकेशन की वर्कशीट नंबर 43 सब्जेक्ट साइंस क्लास 10 एंड दिस इज़ योर न्यू चैप्टर पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स। मैटर अराउंड अस इज प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कंपाउंड एंड मिक्सचर। सो स्टूडेंट कीप नोटेड इन योर माइंड दैट matter means the substance present in our surrounding. It may be solid, may be liquid or gas, but they are present in the form of elements, compounds and mixtures. What are the elements, student? Elements are the substances that containing atoms of only one type. For example, sodium, magnesium and gold. How many elements are known to us? So there are 118 elements till now. We have the knowledge of 118 elements, and out of these 118, 98 are naturally occurring. It means 98 we obtain from our nature and rest of all are prepared in a lab or by chemical means. What is the need of periodic classification? It's very important question, student, and it is the answer of your first question also. What is the need of classification? Elements were classified so that they could be studied easily and in an organized manner. And the earliest attempt to classify is resulting in the elements metals and non-metals. Further classification gives us the knowledge and properties increase. So it is the answer of your first question, student, why the periodic classification of the elements is necessary. Because if there is a no classification, then there is a mess all around. All the elements get mixed up. We can't able to know their physical and chemical properties properly. So we feel a need to classify so that they could be studied easily, and also we can study it in an organized manner. Now move on to our first model, that is Dobereiner triad model. What is Dobereiner triad model, student? In the year 1817, Dobereiner, which is a German chemist, tried to arrange the elements with the similar properties into a groups, and when the elements were arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass, the groups of three, so it is known as triad, which having the similar chemical properties. According to the Dobereiner, student, the atomic mass of the middle element of the triad was roughly the average of the atomic masses of other two elements. What is mean, student? This is the Dobereiner triad. Here you see lithium, sodium and potassium. According to the Dobereiner, the mass of the lithium and the mass of potassium together is the average of the mass of sodium. Let's check here. The mass of the lithium is 6.9 and the mass of potassium is 39. And we have to find their average. 39 plus 6.9 divided by 2, that is 45.9 upon 2, that is 22.9, which is roughly equal to 23. And 23, what is the 23 here? 23 is the value of sodium. It means according to the Dobereiner, the average of the first and third element is equal to the atomic mass of the second one. Okay, this is Dobereiner triad. What are some limitations? Limitation: Dobereiner could identify only 3 triads, student, and its triad was not found to be useful. Now let's move to our next model, that is Newland law of octave. Octave means about 8 elements. So students, Newland arranged the known elements in order of increasing mass and found the property of every 8th element is similar to the first element. Okay, student, like lithium. If we consider lithium as the first, then beryllium second, boron third, carbon fourth, nitrogen fifth, oxygen sixth, fluorine seventh, and sodium is eighth. It means if the lithium is the first, sodium is the eighth, they both have the same property according to the Newland law of octave. But there are some limitations also. You can also see the box. What are the limitations you observe here, student? It was applicable only up to calcium, lighter element. Secondly, it didn't fit into the properties. He can't explain about the properties of new elements. And thirdly, to fit the elements in his table, Newland put even two elements together like there and there, which have dissimilar properties. So this model also get fails, do not get more success. Let us practice now some question. What was the need? I can explain to you earlier in the first paragraph. Write down the three elements that show the Dobereiner triad. This is the answer of your second question, student. Newland divided the element into horizontal rows. No, that is the false. Write down the two drawbacks. So student, here are the three drawbacks. You have to write only two from here. Now let's move to our fifth question, which is our last question, student. Can the following groups be classified as the Dobereiner triad? We have to check, student. So first check sodium, silicon and chlorine. Sodium, silicon, chlorine. Masses are given in the question. For sodium, that is 23. For chlorine, that is 35. We have to find their average. So 23 plus 35 divided by 2, that is 58 upon 2, that is 29. And for silicon, the value is 28, which is not equal to 29. It means the first one did not follow. It doesn't follow Dobereiner triad. Okay, now move on to next. Let's check second. Barium. Second one is our student beryllium, magnesium, calcium. We have to check it whether it follow the Dobereiner triad. For beryllium, the mass is 9 and for calcium, the mass is 40. Now we take the average of both. 9 plus 40 by 2, that is equal to 49 upon 2, that is equal to 24.5, which is roughly equal to 24. It means it follow Dobereiner triad. Okay, student. I think this worksheet is clear to you today. What is Dobereiner triad and what is Newland law of octave, and why their laws and why their models are not successful for a new time, and what is the need for periodic classification. So student, if you like that worksheet, please share among your friend circle and subscribe our channel Learning Light and press the bell icon to get the earliest notification of every worksheet. Students, please stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home, follow proper the social distancing, and at the end of the worksheet there is a message given by the government to every student. Please wash your hands properly with the soap and the water before and after every activity. Okay students, thank you.